Kleber is a one-stop solution provider of adhesives, thermal interface materials, and EMI shielding materials, with North America serving as its frontline marketing center and Vietnam as its high-efficiency manufacturing base. The company has established a supply chain network spanning Europe, America, and Asia, thereby ensuring reliable material support for innovation on a global scale. In the AI data center sector, the surge in computing power has pushed heat dissipation and electromagnetic compatibility to their limits. Kleber delves into specific scenarios, such as GPU chip, thermal management, and server chassis electromagnetic shielding, offering comprehensive material solutions including phase change materials, thermal pads, and shielding gaskets, building stable and secure operating environments for massive data flows. In the energy storage systems segment, Kleber also delivers systematic answers. High-strength structural adhesives ensure reliable fixation of battery cells to enclosures. High-performance thermal interface materials precisely control battery pack temperatures. Kleber is committed to enhancing the cycle life and full life cycle safety of energy storage systems. In robotics and high-end equipment, facing challenges such as lightweight bonding for joints, electromagnetic shielding for circuit boards, and thermal management for controllers, Kleber leverages mature material application expertise to help robots achieve more precise and reliable motion. In new energy vehicles, as automakers adopt unboxed manufacturing process, Kleber enables modular assembly with structural adhesives that robustly join dissimilar metals like stainless steel and aluminum. For body panel misalignment from e-coating ovens, our hem-flange adhesives allow rapid curing at room temperature, minimizing distortion to ensure aesthetics, sealing, and acoustic performance. Kleber provides complete material integration from primary structure to localized sealing throughout the automotive production line. From the modular revolution in automobiles to the computational foundations of AI and onward to energy storage and application, Kleber remains dedicated to solving every engineering challenge customers face in product design with concrete material solutions. Kleber, one-stop solution provider of adhesives, thermal interface materials, and EMI shielding materials.